To install Ghidra, open your browser and simply search for Ghidra. In the search results, you will find the official GitHub repository. Open it. To proceed with the installation, scroll down to the install section in the README file. In that section, you will find a link to the release page where the downloadable archives are located. Before downloading, note that Ghidra requires a supported Java development kit to be installed on your computer. It will not run correctly without it. On the Open Releases page, scroll to the Assets section and download the archive file named something like ghidrapublic.zip. After the download is complete, open the archive and extract the entire folder. There is no installer, the extracted folder is the program itself. Once extraction is finished, open the folder. If you are using Windows, run the file ghidrarun.bat, and if you are using macOS or Linux, run the script named ghidrarun. After that, Ghidra will start. Now we see the Ghidra start window with no active project. First, we need to create one. A project in Ghidra is simply a container, a folder where all the metadata and the compiled files will be stored. To create a project, go to File and New Project. Choose Non-Shared Project unless you specifically want to share your project with someone else. Then choose a location where the project will be stored and give it a name. I will call mine Basics. After that, I click Finish. Now we can import our native library. You can simply drag and drop the SO file into the project window. Ghidra will automatically detect it as an ELF file, which is correct for Android native libraries. Click OK. A new window may appear showing additional information about the file format. You can keep the default settings and click OK again. Now double-click on the imported library to open it. Ghidra will ask whether you want to analyze the file. Click Yes. An Analyzer Options window will appear. For now, you can leave the default settings. They are sufficient for basic analysis, and click Analyze. After a few seconds, the analysis process will complete. So that's it. Ghidra has disassembled and decompiled our native library, and we are ready to analyze it.